In this video, we try to solve a Bandit Labs level 0 which was divided over the wire, in which we solve a Bandit lab to do SSH. In this level goal is the goal for this level is for you to log in game using SSH. The host to which you need to is connect to Bandit Labs or the wire.org on port 2020. Basically, we need to do SSH to solve this lab. We get username, password and machine name. First one SSH, username, machine name, bandit lab, bandit.labs.over the wire.org on port 2220. Password for this level bandit 0. Okay, we got this. Now level 0 to 1 level goal. The password for this next level is stored in the file called readme, located in the home directory. We use this password to log in bandit 1 using SSH. Okay, we need to check this directory. ls is used to check directory. Here a file called readme. We need to get readme file name readme. Okay, we get this file. Okay, we got the password for next level.